Sam walks far from his home. He starts his walk in the morning. It takes him about 1 hour to get there. So he doesn't have enough time to eat breakfast in the morning. He prefers having breakfast on his way to work. Luckily, there is a drive-through right behind the corner of the building he lives in. Sam usually orders some fries, a burger with tomatoes, and of course a large cappuccino with vanilla syrup. There is a line sometimes, so Sam has to wait for a few minutes. He pays for his breakfast with his credit card and goes ahead. It will take him enough time to enjoy the meal.